Welcome to our tutorial on managing the newsfeed in the Phoenix browsers on your mobile device. Whether you want to stay updated with the latest news or prefer a distraction-free homepage, this guide will show you how to adjust your settings accordingly. First, open the Phoenix browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. After that, navigate to Homepage Settings. Finally, you'll see an option for Newsfeed. Toggle it on to enable the newsfeed, or off to disable it, depending on your preference. By following these steps, you can easily manage the newsfeed on your Phoenix browser homepage, tailoring your browsing experience to your liking. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.